Danny Lina back with another video. Today we are checking out the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone system. You can see it's clipped. I currently have it clipped onto my hat. It is magnetic. There's a little magnet on this side and the little microphone's right there. It even comes with like a little thing where you can wear it as a necklace. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff. I can hook this to my camera. I can hook this to my cell phone, I can hook this to my computer, whatever I want, and the audio quality is actually really good. This is just a little over $100 for the basic package. I think it's around $130 for the full-blown package, which is the one I got. That came with everything. But I've heard people raving on about how good this thing was since it came out, and I was always like, yeah, right, there's no way that's really that good. Now, the other day I was wearing my really nice headphones, and YouTube decided to autoplay a review of this, and I was like, wait a second, that actually does sound really good. So I watched several reviews. I probably watched a good 30 or 40 reviews over about 2 weeks' time, and pretty much everybody who spoke into this actually sounded really good, and I was like, I'm going to go ahead and get one of these because I could really use something that I can put on my camera, my phone, my PC, and pretty much anything else for a project I'm about to start working on where I need to be able to have a mobile microphone. I mean, this is a heck of a deal. You get a charging case, you get a couple, 2 little microphones. I bought the full package. This one does come with this extra piece that you can use to hook on your camera, or you can buy the less expensive version that just works with like your PC or your phone, or the one that just comes with the lightning adapter for a little over $100. Now, I do believe these are set on sale right now on Amazon. I don't know what the normal price is, but I will put a link in the video's description and the pinned comment as to where you can get one of these. But I'm actually blown away by the audio quality. I was not expecting it to be this good, but from what I was hearing on the reviews, I was like, man, that sounds good. This can't be real. This is how it sounds in the bathroom, so there's a lot of reverb here. This is how it sounds in a regular bedroom, and there's probably a lot of reverb here. This is how it sounds in the kitchen, and we know there's going to be a lot of reverb here. Now this is how it sounds in the living room, and of course there's no sound treatment in here, and we have hardwood floors. And now I'm back in my partially sound treated room with the window air conditioner making all kinds of noise. And let's do a quick keyboard test and see if it makes a lot of keyboard sound. So let's see if it picks all that up. This sounds better than pretty much all these $300, $400, and $500 wireless lavalier systems out there right now. I think the only one that might sound a little better than this is the new Shure Move mic, but that's a $500 system. But like the Rode wireless, the DJI mic, the oh my god, in the comparisons, none of them sound as good as this. It is super tiny, which is amazing. Now, if you were to wear this, this is kind of where you would normally wear a lavalier microphone, is right about here. So that's how it's going to sound in the standard position. You can move it up a little bit, and this is how it's going to sound right about there. If we move it up even higher, this is the way it's going to sound. Now, if you have it up here, it's going to be too high. Your chin's going to be blocking a lot of the sound from getting into it. Some people will want to try and wear it around here, which is a mistake. You really want to have it kind of like right around your sternum area, maybe at nipple height. That should give you some pretty good sound quality. Or if you want the best sound quality, you're actually going to clip it onto a hat, or maybe even your hair. If you got hair you can clip it onto, you can clip it onto your hair or a hat for the best sound quality. Alright, so right now you can see the little green light is lit up, so we have it in noise canceling mode that's supposed to get rid of background noises. I am recording this video with a fan and a window air conditioner running, so you may have heard some sounds, but this is a great little lavalier microphone kit. I mean, for around $100 for the price, the amount of stuff you're getting in the package is ridiculous. The sound quality is excellent for what it is. I mean, it's not going to sound like a big, large diaphragm condenser microphone or an SM7B or something, but for a little teeny lavalier microphone, this thing sounds excellent. Top notch, in my opinion. Now, my guess is it probably doesn't sound as good once you turn on the noise canceling. I could be very wrong, but let's go ahead and turn the noise canceling back off. Now, noise canceling is great for getting rid of background noise, but I don't particularly like the way it sounds personally. It definitely makes your voice sound a little bit different as it's trying to find and remove all the background noise and block all that stuff out. So I prefer to use microphones without it whenever possible. I mean, if I were in a really noisy area, maybe I would try and throw it on there, but generally I don't like noise canceling, but some people do. So bottom line is, if you're looking for a wireless lavalier system and you can't afford to buy the $500 Shure Move mic, I would say this is the one to get. I truly think it sounds better than all of the other wireless lavalier systems that are in a similar or higher price range. I mean, I haven't heard a lot of these personally, but I have probably watched a good 20, 30, 40 reviews, and a lot of them were comparing these to the other systems, and in every single one of those videos, this sounded better. I was blown away, and I'm still blown away by how good this sounds for the small price tag. So yeah, this thing is killer. Link in the video's description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Lightning out. See ya.
Thanks for watching my video. I hate to say, but it's time to go. Maybe you can watch another one. That might be really fun. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for